Hey guys, I'm Shashir from ElbaTec again with another video here. So in this video, we are going to see the unboxing and quick overview of RealMe one. So let's get started. This is a retail unit which I got it from Amazon. It's diamond black and it's 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. In this device, both the SIMs support VoLTE, so you can have two Geo SIMs at the same time. Now let's open up the box. Opening up the box, we get the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a nice silicone case. After that, we get the device itself. Let's keep it aside for a moment and let's see what's still there inside the box. We get a normal power bank which is 5 volts 2 amps and well, it's not a fast charger. And also we get a good quality micro USB to USB cable. Now let's take a look at the device. The diamond black design really looks reflective and nice. At top we have nothing. On left side we have volume rockers. And on right side we have power button and SIM and micro SD card tray. And at bottom we have speaker, micro USB port, 3.5mm headphone jack and microphone. And on back side we have RealMe and Oppo branding, 13MP rear facing camera and a flashlight. And on front we have IPS LCD Full HD panel with 18:9 aspect ratio and with 8MP front facing camera, earpiece and sensors. Let's apply the case and let's see how it looks. It feels really light, but the case is little reflective, so it hides the diamond black design. So let's now boot up the device. It says RealMe and at the bottom it says Oppo. The device is now booted up. I'll just set up the device. Meanwhile, just take a look at the specs. RealMe 1, powered by Helio P60 octa-core processor with a dual-core APU. Comes in two variants, 3GB RAM with 32GB ROM and 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM. 3GB RAM variant costs 8,990 and 6GB RAM costs 13,990. It has IPS LCD Full HD plus screen with 18:9 aspect ratio. It has dual nano SIM tray with dedicated micro SD card slot. Its rear camera is 13MP and front camera is 8MP. Both are f2.2 apertures. It has 3410mAh battery and it has face unlock, FM radio, and it is running on Android 8.1. There were no much bloatwares, only Facebook and Amazon apps were installed. Here are some colorless features which usually comes with Oppo devices. Let's go to the settings and let's see what and all features we have in this device. As you can see, it is running on Android 8.1 and it is 6GB RAM variant and it has 128GB ROM. Out of 128GB we get 106GB of storage, but I installed some apps, that's why it is showing 96GB. Otherwise we get 106GB available out of 128GB. Let's go to the sound and vibration settings, and here we have a unique feature called Real Original Sound Technology. This feature is there to enhance the clarity of the earphones. Next we have the face unlock features. It is really responsive and really amazing. We'll test the face unlock at last. The next we have the game acceleration mode. This feature is especially for gaming. When it is on, the entire hardware will be completely dedicated for gaming and all other background apps will be stopped from running. And next we have different gesture options in which you can also customize the gestures. Oh, there are a lot of gesture options. That's amazing. If you want a dedicated video for these gestures, let me know in the comments below. Now let's test the face unlock. To show it's working, I'll just switch on the front camera. Now let's test. As you can see, it's very responsive, it's not even lagging. I'll be coming with the review soon. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and enable the notification bell button. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.